Hey guys, you ready to be movie stars? You want to be movie stars? This is Priscilla and Aquila. They're movie stars. They're really only in it for the perks. The perks are delicious. And these noisemakers over here are the Budgies. Say hi, Budgies. Hey, let me get a better view of you. Here we go. Hi, Budgies. There's Dana Budgie. And Jeremy Budgie. Hi, Jeremy. And up here is Joe Budgie. She is a big meanie face. That's right. Here we go. There he is. These Budgies were sick, but they're getting better now. Pretty soon we'll be able to take them and put them in the big cage. You may not realize it, but this is not the big cage. It's a pretty big cage. Bigger than most. This is the Lovey cage. The Loveys will eventually be moving into the cage the Budgies are in now, when the Budgies go into the even bigger cage in the other room. But for right now, they're going to have to content themselves with apartment living and a little millet. I need about, $100 worth of toys for them before the big cage is ready. As you may have noticed, these guys have legs that kind of do things. They were both born with splay legs. Well, they weren't born with it, but incompetent breeding meant that when they were babies, they didn't get the adjustment that they needed. Somebody could have fixed this when they were babies, but now they can't walk. And they never will, but they climb really well. So we've put lots of swings and perches and all sorts of fun things in their cage for them to get around on. They've destroyed this toy utterly. I need to get them a new one. But they have a good time. And they're awfully saucy. They don't let their bad beginning get them down. Right now they're helping me test the new camera. Thank you, lovies!